4. God and our peace. The Puritans were a remarkable people who accomplished far more than most men ever have because they knew what they believed and were totally dedicated. They numbered perhaps 4% of the English people when they took over the country. Other men lacked their determination. One Puritan pastor, Richard Rogers of Wethersfield in Essex, was told by, quote, a gentleman, end quote, Mr. Rogers, I like you and your company very well, only you are too precise. Rogers replied, Oh, sir, I serve a precise God. For this reason, God's every word had to be heeded and obeyed. Christopher Love stated it this way, If you break God's law, God will break your peace. Church members now number into the millions, but they lack the old-time power. They're too often content with pious gush, not an active faith with obedience. They don't want a precise God to command them, but they want God to be precise with His blessings. God is there to serve them, not to require anything of them. Joshua's warning to Israel is seldom heard today. He said to a people of casual faith, Ye cannot serve the Lord, for He is an holy God. He is a jealous God. He will not forgive your transgressions nor your sins. If ye forsake the Lord and serve strange gods, then He will turn and do you hurts and consume you. After that He hath done you good. Joshua 24:19 and 20. Have you given God reason to break your peace?